In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in as someone else on Gmail and Google. Whether you're managing multiple accounts, need to help a family member with their email, or are simply accessing a shared account, it's a straightforward process once you get the hang of it. So, let's dive in and explore how to easily accomplish this task. First, you're going to want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google homepage. Once you're there, take a look at the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice a small circle or a profile picture. This indicates your current account status. Go ahead and click on that circle. This action opens up a drop-down menu that gives you more options. You'll see your primary Google account here alongside a few other menu items. What we're interested in is adding another account to this session. Find and click on the option that says, Add another account. This will prompt a new window to appear, allowing you to sign in with a different account. You'll enter the email address for the account you wish to access, then hit the Next button. This will bring you to a new page where you'll need to type in the password associated with this account. After you've entered the password, go ahead and click Next once more. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you'll need to complete that step as well. A code will be sent to a linked device or phone number. Just enter that code to continue. Now that you're signed in, you'll notice that the profile icon in the upper right corner has changed. At any time, you can click back on that profile icon to switch between the different accounts you've added. One fantastic element of Google's system is that it allows you to seamlessly toggle between accounts without having to sign out from each one individually. You can easily access Gmail, Google Drive, or any other connected services using the account that's currently selected. If you find yourself frequently managing multiple accounts, here's a tip: consider color coding your profile icons or using easily distinguishable pictures. This will help you quickly identify which account you're currently managing, reducing the chances of an accidental email being sent from the wrong address. If for some reason you need to sign out entirely or remove an account, simply return to that profile menu. Clicking on the Sign Out option will log you out from all current Google services at once. Alternatively, if you only wish to remove a certain account while keeping others logged in, click Manage your Google account, followed by the Sign Out option available for that particular account. And that's it, simple and efficient. Navigating multiple Google accounts doesn't have to be daunting. With just a few steps, you're well on your way to mastering account juggling. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips like these.